Yes guys, welcome back to another video. Today it's a different type of video, so I'm starting because I bought Ted a surprise. I bought him a squisher. So people at my school would have seen this taco squisher, but the reason why I'm whispering is because Ted's only in my room. He's playing on the Xbox, so let's go show him this thing. So it's just me slow rising. Ted. Yeah. Look. Oh! Earphone. Is it wheel? No, it's a squisher. Okay. So, we'll bring it into... Oh, God. Look at my dog, come on. So, Earphone, why have you bought me this? Well, the reason I bought Ted this is because so I can surprise him, because he's my little brother. So everyone likes surprising their little brothers and the big sisters and big brothers and little sisters. So yeah, I've decided to surprise Ted. Guys, go down below, subscribe to my channel, leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications on, and yeah, go get that merch. It's not out yet, but it's coming out soon, okay? Let's go into the video, okay? So, Earphone, what are you doing with this taco? Well, what you do is, I'll show you. Okay? Look. Sorry for dropping it. Look. What you do is squish it like that, and it's just slow rising. What does it smell? It smells like chocolate. Everyone at either school, go down below, comment if you smell this, okay? Go down below and subscribe to my channel, because I will, my goal is 10 subscribers, okay? Go to there, okay? Let's go. So I'm gonna go have a squish with this. I'm gonna go out the camera here. Wow, that is really squishy. So guys, watch this. This is just gonna be really good. Just gonna do a slime test here. Guys, can you hear that? So it's really cool. Well, I got this one from Entertainer. That's all they had in stock. But you can get like, it costs £10. Like, everyone will be shocked. Like, they'll be gutted. So yeah, shout out to Joey. He's my best friend in my school. So yeah, go watch his YouTube channel. You might think it's a little bit rubbish, but it's not rubbish. It's good enough for my best friend, so yeah, let's not talk about my best friend anymore, okay? So yeah, you can get I got this from Entertainer, you can get it from Meadowhall Town. There's, yeah, I'm going to be giving away, so Ted's going to be giving away stuff. So yeah, I'm going to be giving away glitter sparkle slime, so go down there, comment below, I'm subscribed and I want that slime, and yeah, so so go down, subscribe, turn notifications on, so you don't miss, every time you don't miss a video, and then go like, and comment down below, I subscribed, I really want that slime, so hopefully you'll get it, and then I will announce the winner, whoever gets it, okay? Good. So yeah. I've got a song to sing you. Guys. It's when the tacos from under the sky. Taco. It's a taco. It's when the tacos from under the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's when the jungle and when. So guys, I'm gonna do something fun. I'm gonna watch the phone. Oh my god. So guys, I've got to end the video right here. Hope you liked it. Go down below, go down, subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I can get 10 subscribers. Like this video. Can we get 8 likes on this video? That's my goal. 8 likes on this video. Okay. Yeah. Goodbye.